designed to help garages take advantage of a profitable revenue stream while also offering long-term benefits for vehicles. The auto transmission machine from EDT Automotive removes accumulated contaminants that build up over time. Graham Lang of Horton Cars in Buckinghamshire, an independent Volvo specialist, has been putting the machine through its paces in his workshop.
The obvious issue with automatic gearboxes is that it's very difficult to get all the fluid out of the gearbox when you do an oil change. Using the EDT machine, you can remove all of the oil from the gearbox, clean out every last little bit in there. I think the figure is something like 97% of the oil is changed, and that's not possible with simply draining the oil and replacing it. Even if you flush it 2 or 3 times, you will not get the same result as you do with the EDT machine.
The machine undertakes automatic transmission fluid exchanges, removing old fluid and flushing the transmission through with a bespoke cleaner before replenishing it with new fluid and conditioner. EDT Automotive say it results in smoother gear changes, improved power delivery and fuel economy.
The EDT machine comes with a set of adapters to suit almost every gearbox on the market. The machine is then connected to the car and becomes part of the gearbox circuit. It will tell you to start the engine. You'll then go through the gears, move the gears through so that you're getting all the oil through the valve body, through the torque converter, so that it's working as part of the gearbox. That way, the fluid is flowing all the way through the gearbox and being cleaned and removed.
For Graham, it's EDT's pay-as-you-go concept that makes it an attractive proposition for independents because it eliminates financial risk.
Where you pay for it as you go along is quite good, because basically you rent the machine simply by each treatment that you do. So rather than hitting your cash flow and forking out for £3,000 or £4,000 worth of machinery, you just pay for it when you use it. It's very much a profit generator. EDT recommend to charge upwards of £300 per change. Some people are charging more, up to £500. It really depends on how your customers are, where you are, what your hourly rate is. We tend to charge about £350 plus VAT. Most people are very, very happy with that service because it actually effectively works. So it's an excellent profit generator. 5 out of 5, fantastic machine. You'll make plenty of money on it, depending on what vehicles you work on, but you'll certainly make money out of it. It's a good machine. I recommend it to any garage.
For more information about EDT Automotive or to arrange a demonstration in your workshop, call 01233 712 341 or go to edtautomotive.com.